Another Sunday in the city. Today I'm gonna go to the other side of the city actually to visit a friend. Uh, this place is so far that it takes me. I live in New York by the way, so I'm gonna take the subway there. It's going to be around 1.5 hours to get there, something like that. So yeah, this place so far that I only been there. Like, unnecessary. This place so far that I only been there like I don't know 2 or 3 times maybe. So I thought, well, good day to try the whole vlogging thing again. Let's see what we can capture in the way, and maybe explore a little bit since I don't actually know the area. So let's see what we can find. Come with me this side, okay? Welcome to Buuuut. This is way north of Manhattan. It took me around 2 hours to get here. So I come from the south part of Brooklyn. Actually, I'm gonna drop a map in here and do a little animation so you can see more or less what my trip was. The things we do for our friends. I came here because I know that she has been working like crazy the last 2 weeks and doing like 13 hours shifts and stuff or whatever, so she doesn't want to go too far from home. And I said like, okay, I'll be there, don't worry. Well, yeah, I'm not sure what we're gonna do right now, probably some photos and stuff. So I want to explore the area, like I said. Let's see what we can find around here that's interesting, do some b-roll about it, maybe show you a bit more about how a photo shoot or one of my photo shoots will look like. And yep, let's see what happens. Catch you in a bit. So you have seen probably a couple of little clips about the shooting I'm doing here. Here's our model for today. Let me see. I don't know why she thinks she's a bad girl. She's not. So what's the name of this place? Trial?
Fort Tryon Park.
Fort Tryon Park. I don't know. Like I said, I'm in a area of the city I don't really know. It's a nice place. We climbed down some rocks, took a couple of pictures, and now we're going to another fort. I don't know where I am honestly. Like if she left right now, if she left right now, I will be like, okay, Google Maps, because I have no idea how to get out of this place. But nicer than I thought, honestly. So let's see what else we can do about here. We're about to go to another place, take more pictures. I'm gonna put a couple of them in here. She wants to be in camera for some reason. I don't know what she's doing. There. Oh, come on. No, she didn't just do that. Okay, whatever. So let's see. The next place is supposed to be nicer. It's true? No? Okay, you're gonna see a worse place now. I don't know. Let's see what it is. Actually, I'm a little scared because she's taking me to wherever she wants to take me. That's a little awkward. But let's see what happens. Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm editing this video you're watching right now. Um, you might ask, yeah, editing? Why? What happened? Where's the rest of the day? So, if you look at the title of this vlog, I didn't record enough whatsoever. Actually, I was struggling to put this together. Lesson learned. Always keep recording as much as you can when you're trying to do vlogs and stuff for real. And actually, after that, I was so deep into photographer mode that I totally forgot to record more. And after that, we went to dinner. We went to have dinner and have a couple of drinks or whatever. And I got home late at night. And so yeah, lesson learned. Always remember to record as much as you can. It doesn't matter if you think you're recording too much. You're not. Believe me. At the beginning of the day, I was thinking to myself, I maybe might be recording too much. And then as I was starting editing, going through all I was recording that day, no, not really. uh, it did come out, at least at the beginning, how I wanted it to, but after, if you probably noticed after the day was going on, I was trying to fill in as much as I could because I didn't record enough. So yeah. But anyways, hope you like the photos. Lesson learned. Next time I'm gonna try and do best job at that. Let's see what we can come up with. As you notice, I'm just learning about filmmaking and stuff, so this is just good training, I guess. But yeah. Anyways, hope you learned the lesson I have to learn by force that day. Hope you enjoy your time. Don't forget to drop a like if you like this video, subscribe and all the stuff, and I will catch you in the next one. See ya.